Hello there, this is Deborah, and as you can see from the title, I'm going to be unboxing a box that I got from Wholesale Supply Plus. Now, I've ordered a few things. I was gearing up for a craft show that was coming up and for the holidays, but I just found out today that the craft show, the 2-day event, has been canceled. So now I'm having to kick into plan B. Now, normally I don't come on doing my unboxing or anything of my products, but today I thought, since I'm going to be talking to you about behind the scenes, showing you some things that I'm doing from behind the scenes, why not show you my unboxing? Now, I have just a few products here from Wholesale Supply Plus. Normally I would be purchasing some of these products anyway, but like I said, I did get geared up for the holidays and the 2-day craft event. So now I'm having to kick into plan B. But anyway, I have some little spray, fine spray mist tops there, and I have some little white 2-ounce containers. These are all for a little project that I'm doing. I have a couple of custom orders that I'm working on as well. These are some lotion containers or deodorant containers. I'm actually going to use them for my lotion bars. I also have some mango butter. Usually I get my supplies of mango butters and oils from a different place. I have some avocado kernel oil, but they was out of a lot of things, so I went where I could find it. I have some polysorbate 20. I have some cocoa butter. I have lots of cocoa butter here. Like I said, I have a supplier, but they was completely out. You could not find anything. Okay, more cocoa butter. So like I said, usually I don't quite buy, I usually buy once a year all my products, but I did decide to buy some extra things to gear up for the 2-day event that was canceled. So in a few days or so, I will be coming on Facebook Live showing you some of my products that I have on the website. I have some white kaolin clay there. I was all out of kaolin clay. But anyway, I will be coming on Facebook Live probably, I believe, on the 30th of November to introduce you to some of the new products I have and to talk to you about the products and the website. I will be having some bonuses, some little gifts that I will be giving away, just talking to you about a lot of different things there. So I've been unboxing for days. I have here some, what is this? I'll have to... Don't got my glasses on there. I have some castor oil here, and I have some sunflower seed oil. So basically these are just some things that I had kind of ran out, but I have been buying products for about a month now, just gearing up castor oil. So I have castor oil and sunflower seed oil in those big containers. I've just been gearing up for those 2 days events because it's a big event. But with the COVID-19 virus, it was canceled at the last minute. Now, there were some options where we could be outside, but I just didn't feel led to do an outside event here in Iowa in December. Not that it could be a nice day, I don't know, but that just wasn't something I wanted to do. I did some custom orders here. I made some lotions. Now, I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to show you some things that I'm doing behind the scenes here so you can get a little idea what goes on at Aroma Delight. Now, I can't show you everything I'm doing because if I did, this would be a long video. So with further ado, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much. Bye now.